In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive and remove it from File Explorer on Windows 10. If you're ready to simplify your computer experience and take more control over how your storage works, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process of removing this cloud storage service from your system. Firstly, you need to locate the OneDrive Cloud icon, which you can find in the taskbar at the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock and other system tray icons. It appears as a small cloud icon. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This will open a small window, giving you various options related to OneDrive operations. Now, in the window that popped up, you'll notice an icon that looks like a gear. This is the Help and Settings icon. By clicking on this gear icon, you open a menu filled with different settings and options, and this is where you can begin to customize how OneDrive behaves on your computer. Once the menu appears, navigate to the Settings option and click on it. This takes you to a more detailed view of OneDrive settings, bringing you one step closer to detaching OneDrive from your File Explorer. Within the Settings interface, look for the Account tab. The Account tab typically contains crucial details about your OneDrive subscription and the sync status with your PC. Go ahead and click on the Account tab to bring it forward. Here, the key option you're looking for is Unlink this PC. Clicking on this option effectively disconnects your computer from OneDrive and stops any files syncing between your PC and the cloud. Remember, this step does not delete any files stored on your PC. A confirmation dialog will pop up, asking you to verify your decision to unlink. When prompted, confirm the action by selecting Unlink Account. By completing this action, your computer is now detached from the OneDrive service, giving you more control and management over your files without automatic syncing. For a more comprehensive removal of OneDrive from your system, you'll want to uninstall it completely. Head to the Windows Settings app by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the Settings gear. Navigate to the Apps section. Here, you'll find a list of all programs installed on your computer. Scroll through this list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you've found it, click on it and select the Uninstall option. Follow the on-screen prompts to successfully complete the uninstallation process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled OneDrive and removed it from File Explorer on Windows 10. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined and uncluttered experience as you navigate your computer. I hope you find this guide helpful in optimizing your system exactly the way you want it.